What is mutation? In some discipline, the meaning of the mutation is the change in the sequence of the DNA or in the structure of the chromosomes. While in some disciplines it is called as disease causing change which is present in the sequence of the DNA. Most of the geneticists, they do not like to use the term mutation. Instead, they use the neutral terms like sequence variant, allelic variant, or just the variant. Frequency of the mutation. Mutation occur in every cell out of 1 billion bases which are present on the genome of the organisms. Every individual has approximately 6 mutations in each of the cell of which the organism made up of. All those cells that consist of a body of an individual, and in each of the cell there can be 6 mutations. Effect of the mutation. There can be 3 types of the effect of the mutations. The mutations, they can be harmful, mutations can be beneficial, and mutations, they do not have any effect on the individual. If we try to understand the concept of the mutation at DNA level, this is the structure of the DNA which is made up of nucleotides. These small beads, they are actually nucleotides. Nucleotides are the building block of the DNA. So if all the sequence of the nucleotide is normal, then there is no mutation. While if there is any change, instead of the nucleotide which is pink in color, there can be a white nucleotide, then it is called as mutation, or it is called as sequence variant or the allele variant. In this diagram, based on the DNA level, DNA is actually the sequence of 4 nucleotides. These 4 nucleotides, they repeat. And what is the meaning of mutation at the level of DNA? Here we can see the sequence of the DNA, that is a normal sequence, while if there is a change on one of the nucleotide, if we see here is written G, G is for guanine. If in place of guanine there is adenine, G is replaced by A. This change from G into A is called as mutation or the sequence variant. Same is in case of this T. This T is replaced by this G. It is called as mutation. Mutations are the major source of variation for the biodiversity. Some of the mutations, they are not harmful, even they are beneficial. If those mutations are present in the individuals, they can live longer. Mutations are of 2 types. One is called as germline mutation and second one is called as somatic mutation. Germline mutations are present in the germ cells, mean in the sperms and eggs, while the somatic mutations, they are present in the somatic cells of the body.